Avery here, Southern Fried Knowledge, coming to you live from Florida. More specifically than that, from Jacksonville, Florida. I guess more specifically than that, Orange Park, Florida. We're at an antique store. My wife has decided to start her own YouTube channel, so y'all keep an eye out. We don't have a name yet. She's over there filming some stuff. She's going to be featuring I Did That Thing, where I zoomed in, and I always warn people about that. Anyway, she's going to be featuring stuff from antique malls and how to go antiquing and thrift stores and stuff like that. My channel's about the normal stuff y'all know about, going and exploring places and adventures and work. And here comes my wife, so we're going to end this for right now. But y'all keep an eye out for her channel. When I got a name, I'll let you know. Bye for now. Now we are crossing the St. Johns River in Orange Park, and they are doing some heavy-duty construction on this bridge, wherein these 4 lanes, which was 5 just a moment ago, now it's 4, I believe is about to become 2 lanes. And if I'm reading my signs right, they're not doing any construction today, so they've closed all the lanes down, so we'll be having all this trouble getting across this one little bridge here just because they felt like closing the lanes down. Sounds like we're in Atlanta, don't it? Welcome to Florida. But taking the beauty, scenic beauty of the St. Johns River as it flows by us, beneath us. The only river that I know of that flows south to north in the United States. Am I wrong? Maybe I am. I have whacked my head a few times. Well, taking the beauty as the boat rig and truck and so forth comes by. Anyway, I got to drive in this mess, and I think this lane will be gone shortly. So I gotta go get it done. Stand by for more fun and adventure. And don't forget to check out my wife's channel that we don't know the name for yet, but we're working on it. Or she is. There will be no input by me. It's going to be strictly her. But it's going to be a great name. It'll be a great channel. And y'all know if I recommend it, it's got to be great because I already have 85 subscribers. Thank you, each and every one of y'all. We're killing it. I'm about to kill me.
You're gonna kill me.
Hi. No output on my channel, please. If it's gonna be bad. You want to drive? I offered to let her drive. She don't want to drive in this. Anyway, left lane closed ahead. They said 2 left lanes closed ahead, and I don't see but 2 lanes of cars going up, and I'm sitting in the 3rd one, so that's not good for me. Last little view of the scenery there as I put this back in the box and try to work my way over. We've actually got to turn off in 3 miles to the right, exit to the right, so I've got to get over 2 lanes, and I don't have my big beast of a van to do it anymore to work my way in there, but maybe this one being smaller I can squeeze through the cracks. Stand by for more fun and adventure. Hello folks, look where we're at. We're at the Florida Alligator Farm in St. Augustine, Florida. Let's go see what we can find inside there. Look at the babies. Wish we could pet them without losing a hand. Well, he's camera shy. Like talk to the tail. Got a hideout. Hamming it up. see they will let you pet them. I'm not scared of no gator.
See the gators, just turtles.
Do it.
Oh, there's a gator in there. All the way across. He's half in the water. And his head's sticking up.
No, there's a cool bird. Oh, there's some baby birds. Look at them baby birds. Don't fall in the water, bud. If there is a gator down there, it'd be a nice little snack. I think that's a caiman. Yeah, that's a caiman. The baby birds.
He looks like he wants to fall out of that now.
I'm assuming that's the mama. Hey, bud. If I stand still long enough, I'll get some color to me. Looks dead.
He does, they're so still.
Jump in there and pull his tail and see if he'll move. Oh crap.
They're not prepared.
They come with no pennies, no 50 cents, and no nothing.
You have to go back in there and ask her if she needs a change.
Yeah. I don't know if you need a penny though.
$2 and a penny.
Yeah. Yeah, oh well. Carpetbagger wins again. I am alive.
Hey, Mr. Gator. What are you doing?
Don't let me come up here and eat y'all. Look at him on one legs like that.
Is that you bring food?
Are you sure you're centered? You didn't think so.
Damn, he's big.
The one over there I think is bigger. What, there's some chickens have made a mistake of landing there.
His markings on his back.
Yeah. It's a racing turtle. There's one right there.
Hey, dude.
Let's be a divider. These boys are much smaller. I think those guys over there would eat them. Yeah, I was watching a bird right there. My bird over there is prettier than your bird. Bunch of birds up there. See them all over there. It's a blue one over here. He got him a stick.
He might be golden enough.
Possibly. Oh yeah, he wonky jawed now. Look at his head.
Stinks over here.
He's smiling. That wasn't me. I think this one that I didn't drop actually gets walkie jawed more than yours does. I didn't think that was the laughing one ever. That don't get on your nerves. I see you. He ain't got fleas. Waiting for the food to arrive in my mouth. I'm gonna hold my mouth wide open until somebody puts some food in there. Big old turtles over there. That gator's trying to build a hill to climb up over this wall and go eat that turtle. Check him out. Check him out without being zoomed in. I'll show you how we do it in the swamp. That's how we do it in Okefenokee. You see a big old gator and he's giving somebody a hard time, you just get in there and you just grab him by the mouth and open that thing up and he'll run away. Hey buddy. Hey there. Hey there. Don't pet the gators. This one's big. I'm a big old hole where he can see us for a change. Hey, Mr. Turtle. Oh, that was the turtles making noise for a minute. Is that you? Is that you, Mr. Turtle? I don't think so. We're gonna have a turtle hold down at the alligator farm. He's digging a hole under, he's digging over.
That's probably not gonna end well.
Looking on his tippy toes. If he jumps over this fence, I'm not messing with turtles anymore. trying to impress that lady one over there. I showed him how fast he can run. He's a sprinter. This one's like, don't pay him no attention. Look at me. Oh, we better have a turtle hoedown. He's like, this is my woman. He's like, I'm bigger than you though. Gator's like, well, whoever you killed, just throw the dead one over here and I eat it.
He's definitely watching them turtles.
Damn, that turtle stuck his head back and the first one bit his shell. Like, you missed me. You're gonna bite him in the foot when he ain't looking. Where's that there mama? I don't know. Two birds carrying on over there. I done told you once, don't sass me, boy. I'm gonna slap you over there in them alligators. See how you like that. Doing. Whoop, hold. If I could get out there, I'd show you all these balls. You don't want one of them for a pet?
Nope.
Are you following me, he says. Don't make me come slap you.
Are you food?
I don't know, are you a thumbnail? Okay, I get it. He's giving me the stare down. Quit filming me, dude. Maximo. Hope he ain't that big.
Oh, wow.
There he is. This is their big gator. Can't see him, he's under the water. We're gonna go up that ramp and see if we can get a better look at him. There he comes. Where is this ramp they speak of?
They're pretty colorful.
That's like that thing you got in Jacksonville.
In keeping him comfortable is here's your honey, and everybody came together, everybody's fine.
I think there's a definite difference when you have, in fact, the Maximo brought here with me. I think it makes his attitude different. I'm certain that's a positive thing, but it may not always be a positive thing for keepers. It can make him more defensive over his territory.
Maximo's a very different crocodile. He's been in captivity for years, but he lived in a very large, open,
15-foot
wild sort of habitat. With only a couple of other crocodiles, the food was simply
They're
thrown to
collected by
him,
Aborigines
and he has
in the
no
wild,
close
that's right.
association with people. And because of that,
Raised from an
he
egg.
acts much more like a wild crocodile. His temperament is very different. He can be quite aggressive.
It's kind of tough when you're either the guy that's doing something the crocodile really likes, and they always come towards you, or if you're the guy.
You can't get up there and see him. Look at the totem with a crocodile grabbing his head. Like his totem are trying to pull him out of the crocodile's mouth. I'd hate to run into this guy.
He looked like an extinct creature from prehistoric times. Seeing Gomek up close was a powerful and memorable experience. By the time he arrived here in St. Augustine, Gomek was over 15 feet long and weighed nearly a ton.
He was a massive animal. He was the largest reptile ever put on display in the Western Hemisphere.
And I remember grabbing his toe with my fingers not meeting my thumb when I was holding on his toe.
When he came out of the water, he just had a massive head. It was all dinosaurs.
Gomek's story begins on the Fly River in southern New Guinea, a large island north of Australia.
It is remote. There are ancient peoples living up in the hills and along the river. It simply has not been touched by modern humans as many
crocodile
other places in
toaster.
the world have.
Gomek spent the first 50 years of his
It's a
life
crocodile
in
toaster.
a swampy region deep in New Guinea's interior. When World War II was underway, he was already a big crocodile. And by the time a young Australian hunter named George Craig heard about him,
What?
Gomek
That
had become a
Gomek?
legend.
Yeah.
Is that gator?
Yeah.
Craig came to New Guinea to hunt saltwater crocodiles. The animals were prized for their skins, used to make shoes, briefcases, and handbags. Craig set up a base on the island for weeks.
Taking a photo bird.
These birds stay in the trees because if they went down any,
Couple babies.
they would be
See the babies?
gator food.
You see the babies?
Let's see no babies. Yeah, maybe. Must be baby season for the birds.
They are very active. Geez.
You know what?
You feeding them?
There's some bigger ones. These are teenagers. They're problems. Look at them infighting.
Just stand still already, will you?
There's a little bitty one right there up above the teenagers. Must have got a bird.
Did he?
I don't know. Chewing on something. Somebody fall out of the nest?
I hope not.
One might have fell out of the nest. They're all raising hell now. Gators like, it's not my fault. If they're gonna jump in the water, I'm gonna eat it.
Those birds are brave over there. They're walking right around those big gators on the bank.
Ooh, one over there. Like something exploded. The baby bird falling in. Or is somebody pooping? Gators like, they're too noisy for me. Like a bunch of women cackling. I'm gonna move over here.
I think they were yelling at him.
There's a pink one over here.
Because they failed to roll and he moved away.
They all got their little nest up there. Oh, he's got some little ones. The pink one does. Look at there. Little bitty ones.
The gray one. He blends in with the tree.
Yeah, I see. I don't know if I see him on my camera. I think I do. Pink one I can find. There's some baby ones over there yelling. It's baby time at the alligator farm in St. Augustine. Baby bird time at least.
And the gators are ready. Feed me.
Hang out there long enough and they'll get one of them. Food will come to you. Bird stink.
I don't know if that's the birds or the gators.
Don't be pooping on me because I said your kids stink. Welcome to another episode of Bravery's National Geographic. Phyllis Dillbird back there. Have y'all been pooping on that gator? I swear to have. That's just disrespectful. No wonder they eat your babies.
He looks like he's terrified.
Huh?
He looks like he's terrified, like he's not too sure about this flying stuff.
Got white knuckles there, bud. Yeah, I just seen my brother fall in earlier. You'd have white knuckles too. Stacks of gators. Hey there, little fellas. Y'all better be careful. He's just got his eyes popped open and he's waiting for one of y'all to drop a baby. And he's going swinging action.
Oh, there's a big one down here in the water. He's already...
Yeah. These boys like, if you wait long enough, food will come to you from above. Sounds like a seal. You can't find them little babies in this screen. You know, sort of see the mom. See how hard these things are to see? That's the bird, I think.
Is that zoomed in?
Yep. But zoomed in, zoomed out, you wouldn't never know it was there. Little bitty babies. Y'all do the same thing these birds do. There's an awful lot of baby birds around here. Where's all the baby gators? Y'all been eating them again?
The gator's trying to push him out the way. He's like, move.
It's a fly. The fly is gone. last group of fellas that went on an expedition out here. The Gators got them. Ain't that right, Mr. Gator? Looking at us like he's thinking about eating us. Well, you think about something else, because I ain't jumping in there. I don't know where all the fish are hiding. I'm not going out there. There's gators out there. I'm staying over here. They don't see me. I'll stay right here. You might not notice, but there's a gator right over there. Yeah, he ain't gonna do that no more. Must have been yawning. I'll come over there. Is that a mummy gator? That's creepy. These Egyptians will make a burrito out of anything. You should see what they got over there. Must be some of their zip line stuff, huh? Slow down before the end, because you'll smack off and be crocodile.
Sarcophagus with a hand sticking out.
Yeah. They probably got some of these things for sale in a gift shop, like that skull.
Probably. The hippo skull. Just saw the zip line.
They might come down right there. I don't know what they
I
do.
think they come down this ladder, I think.
Mm. Oh, come
Those two
on.
poles are one end.
Subject lost. Come on. I don't know if they're coming or not. They're shaking something. It's pretty slight for something that's supposed to come all the way down here. There you go.
I think what they do.
This will make such better pets than a cat or a dog. I'm over there to see what's going on. Turtle, he don't say nothing.
Go check it out.
What?
The turtle's gotta go check it out.
He wants that cart. I'm ready for the turtle.
I wonder if he's gonna tip it over. Or try.
The turtle's pissed now. What the hell did you do with my cart? That was my cart. Yeah, I'm not falling for that crap again. He's like, come over here and get it.
Do what?
The turtle's not falling for going over there to the cart again. Here comes another turtle. It's okay. We can't outrun the cart every time.
Someone jamming you, dude.
That turtle's going for it again.
They fill up their water thing.
Hey.
Yeah? See what bird you are. Yeah, there's one spot at the Minnesota Zoo where they have like a wall of them.
Little turtle. Some little bitty turtles over there. Hey. Hey, buddy. Woo. Gooser. Goose gonna run over the turtle. Bite him on the foot, I would. Ducks over there? Yep, didn't see the ducks.
Well, there's some almost like mallard ducks, but different variety.
Oh yeah.
Walkway.
Oh my god, the turtles are all coming.
What does it say what he is?
I've seen those
Almost
before.
that's him. Indian Garios.
Hmm.
Yeah, we've already. Get out of there. What are you doing?
Little skinny snouts on them.
Yeah, there he is. Well, they have to eat their food through a straw. Oh, yeah. Too much reflection here. I don't know how much video I can get.
He likes that running water on him.
Yeah. Soothes him to sleep.
Those are adorable.
We can't see the birds. Do you want to show down the birds real quick? Okay, we can just go. Just go loose the birds.
And see if the egg hatched. Yeah. No, the egg's down there by the playground.
You want to sit?
Yeah.
They are adorable.
I bet her mama thinks so.
Top and top. Cameron. Trying to move a second ago. This one was trying to get close to the water.
Lady's walking down a top road over there. And they're climbing up in the tree. Gotta feel a lot better than I do. Fire warning drop zone. Sleeping lizards. What's sticking this thing out? We've seen some of this.
Yeah, we did.
We come through there. Yeah, we did that. We did that. Yeah, we come across that bridge right there and went that way. We come right through there when we come from the gift shop. The only thing we might, and I don't know if we've seen the birds of Africa. Did we see that?
I think we did.
I thought there was two trails right here. Oh, that's where we didn't go. We went that way. This is just a short little trail right here. I knew we passed something right here. Well, I feel like we did go this way. There was a trail that cut back. Maybe that was that same one.
Maybe we took it.
There's a bird. Funny looking bird. That was a poodle bird. And a monkey. A noisy one.
Got whiskers.
I think he's got a perm.
A blue-billed curassow?
And a bearded emperor tamarin.
Which the tamarin is the same one we saw over there, the little white ones. The
Yeah.
rock balls.
There's a bird over there, see?
Somebody put food in there.
Yeah. What do you mean? I haven't taken it off yet.
Y'all guessed it, folks. We exit through the gift shop. Darth Gator. Motions of a sloth.
So yeah, basically all includes that. You get shifts throughout the day. You get to walk around. So you get to everything for hours to walk around. There's theater shows. Alligators are doing a show at 12 o'clock. That's the his alligator meeting. Here by the theater for anything. Ready to go, ladies? No more stuffies.
What's this alligator book come to life? Huh. Santa Claus riding an alligator. Sloth bottle opener. Come and see the many treasures inside the souvenir shop, gift shop, the Florida Alligator Farm.
What are you getting?
Carpetbagger would be proud of me for doing the snow globes.
Wait, we can get it. I like those. Are you getting it?
Over here. That concludes our trip to the St. Augustine Alligator Farm. Thank y'all for watching.